Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Isaacadeyemi. So this is a making money online channel. Yeah, I show you how to make money, provide you with necessary tools, information that you need to make the money. So we are on a series where I titled KDP series. So this is a series that will teach you how to make money by self-publishing, and we chose Amazon, particularly how to publish a book on Amazon. So in today's video, I want to show you three types of book that you can publish on Amazon. When you know these three types of book, you just choose a type that you want to go with and you double down on it. You create books like that. All right. So if you are new here, do not forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that YouTube will automatically update you anytime I drop a new video. All right. So let us go and get into it. All right. So here I'm going to go straight to my notepad and show you the three types of books. So the first one is summaries. So you can summarize a book that is already selling, So I'm going to show you how to know a book that is selling, a book with less competitors, whereby if you model around the book, summarize a book kind of book like that, it is going to sell very, very, very well on Amazon. So when you see a book like this, you just summarize it. So let's say there is a book titled How to Unlock Your Potential. So by Isaacadeyemi. So that's one of my book though. So you just say summaries of how to unlock your potential by Isaacadeyemi. In that case, you're not claiming the ownership of the book, you're not claiming the author name, but you are summarizing the book, whereby anyone that want to read something that is short. Like, people are lazy these days. People just want a summary. They don't want to think. People don't want to spend time doing something. They just want someone that can help them to look at the stuff and summarize it for them. So a book of 200 pages, you can summarize it and make it 25 pages, 26 or 30 pages, and you can sell it. Even 15 pages, and you can sell it. So you just say summary of the book. And one joyful part of it is, so far the book is good, the book is selling, yours too will sell, because you are leveraging on the person. So as for me, I so much like this method. I love it a lot. And although if you are doing this, there are some things that you have to abide, and I'm going to explain that when we move forward. Another thing one is the ebook method. This is a case whereby you do your keyword research on Amazon. You look for a niche that is selling. So under this niche, I'm going to tell you the three types of niche that you can publish to. Maybe in our next video, I will tell you the three types of niche that you can write on. And another form of book is journals. So you can write on blank pages. So you just create like hand books, blank pages, and people can order that kind of book down to their preferred countries. I hope you understand. So down to their preferred countries. So in our next video, I'm going to show you the three types of markets that you can work on. Three types of market that can pay you thousands of dollars, that you can create books on. So do not forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out important video in this KDP series. All right, and comment Amazon KDP. This helps YouTube to take this video to more persons who are interested in this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay blessed.